Congratulations on your purchase of the MAXCases Shield Extreme-H IP68-Certified waterproof case. Please note that it's important to carefully follow these instructions to ensure a watertight fit. First, remove the protective film from both sides of the case. After ensuring that the screen and shell are clean, carefully open the port plugs at the top and bottom of the case. Starting at the bottom port plug opening, carefully pry off the back of the case. Next, insert either your iPad or the waterproof test insert face down into the front of the case. Position and align the back case above the iPad or test sheet. Finally, press evenly around the entire outer perimeter to ensure the back case is completely sealed. Use the included test insert to confirm that your Shield Extreme-H case is watertight. First, install the folded test insert face down, carefully following the previous installation instructions. Next, submerge the sealed case with the enclosed test sheet into a sink filled with water. Keep it submerged for as long as your typical use, up to 30 minutes. Finally, remove the case from the water and examine it front and back through the clear windows. If there was a leak, a red line will appear near the location of the leak. Before opening the case, it's important to thoroughly dry it to prevent drips from reaching the test insert. If this happens, it's not an indication that the case has failed. If no red test line appeared during submersion, the case has passed the waterproof test.